Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to completely remove Microsoft Edge Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to completely remove Microsoft Edge Windows 11 from Browse. To begin, in Edge browser, click on the menu and click on Settings. Now go to Section Reset Settings. Here, click on Restore Settings to their default values. After, click on Reset and wait that process ending. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to completely remove Microsoft Edge Windows 11 from Explorer. To start, in the search box enter %local app data %, click on File folder. When you access, open the Microsoft folder. Select the Edge folder and click on Delete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.